What is going on, guys? Good morning. Is it looking like a good morning? Hopefully, fingers crossed. You know what I mean? Fingers crossed we're getting a good morning. But guys, we are finally waking up to us not trading at all-time highs. Finally. So we can probably cook something up here. And speaking of cooking something up, we could have a setup here. Now, I don't want to speak too soon because this candle closes in 25 seconds and anything can happen in 25 seconds. But so far, I love the way the market is looking. Now, fingers crossed, we're breaking new highs here. I don't want to. Okay, let's not. Let me shut up. Let me shut up for 10 seconds. Let me shut up for 10 seconds. But here, let me shut up the live trading here in the premium real quick. Starting up the live trading. Join up. Premium. Perfect. Okay, so we didn't close the gap, which is good. It's what we needed. You know what I mean? But yeah, now I can literally talk about the setup without it getting messed up, right, guys? So let me go ahead and just do this one more time. Starting up the live trading. Okay, I gotta be quick here because you never know when this is gonna play out. So let's hop on real quick. Yo. What's up, guys? What's up? Okay, guys, real quick. We're finally not opening at all-time highs. We're opening near it, which is fine, but we're not at all-time highs. Now, I'm seeing a setup here that I'm loving like crazy. It's one of these setups where, we wake up, we take it, and we finish the day real quick. Hopefully that's the case today. All right, guys? But real quick, what's going on right now, guys, is we have this beautiful double top with Asia and London being created. Beautiful liquidity, right? I want to see 22,425 really bad today. I want to see upside, right? Now, guys, you guys know yesterday the market was pumping up with no reason. So we created very little liquidity, but the liquidity that we did create, we just finished taking out. Which the liquidity I'm talking about is this London low that we created maybe like an hour ago, and we also created some mini levels of liquidity, which they're not super important, but we did take them out right here and right here, right? So everything right now is lining up perfectly for an amazing liquidity sweep, which is what we're looking for. Now, we have this mini fair value gap here, which is more than valid, that we could use for a simple inverse, which we're about to get very soon, so I gotta talk faster. Right, guys? But I really want to see this liquidity all the way up here at 22,425. So hopefully we can get a quick setup here, and we'll see how that goes. All right, guys. But we're gonna see. So far, we have the setup, we have the reading, we have everything. All we need now is simply for the price to inverse this fair value gap with strong buying, and we're good to go. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. So far, the only thing that's kind of worrying me is ES has not taken out any levels of liquidity to a downside at all. So it could take some time, right? We could still see some downside. But NQ seems like it really wants to push up. So if ES can switch over here, it would be amazing. You guys do not understand. But yeah. So far what I'm looking for right here, guys, is here. Let me draw it out for you guys real quick. Hopefully I get the drawing before we get the entry. But we have DOL, which is the London low. Right? We have DOL right here and right here. We're looking for a DOL sweep right here and right here. Right, so we're looking for a DOL sweep, right, to then inverse this fair value gap and target liquidity. Let me see. Oh, oops. To target DOL at Asia slash London. There we go. This is what we want, guys. Do we want this really, really bad? Because it's looking perfect, right? It's looking like the perfect setup, right, guys? So let's see. I'm really excited for the setup. I'm liking the volume. I mean, look at the buyers coming in. It's amazing. We have all the confirmation, so there's not much to really worry about. In my eyes, this is the perfect setup. So let's find out. I mean, let's see what we can cook up here, guys. All right. In the meantime, I know we're about to get the entry. Let me make sure I'm putting up my YouTube link real quick. Let me get it real quick. Come on. Use for a simple in. Let me see. Trading chat. Okay, let's see if we can get an entry here. Get ready, guys. Get ready. See if I can find an entry real soon, guys. The buying here is amazing. What is ES doing? Yep, ES is picking up as well. Alright, guys, I'm enter longs here. I like the way this is holding up, guys. I'm in longs. I am in longs, guys. I am in longs, guys. I am in NQ longs, guys. Oh my god. But the buying is already picking up quick. The buying is already picking up real quick. Oh my god, guys, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Bro, guys, I literally just entered and I'm up a bag, guys. I'm already up $400 on the day. Guys, if you guys want to trim right now, press the button. Guys, press the button. Look at this, guys. Real quick, bro. Real quick. 5 minutes. 5 minutes and we're already green as hell on the day. Guys, trim some here, guys. I trimmed some here. Guys, I trimmed. Oh my god, we're pumping. Guys, what a fucking entry, guys. 5 minutes is what it took. 5 minutes. But guys, we are currently up about 35 points, guys. I took some trims up here. You guys should as well. Wow, guys, what? Talk about an entry, bro. Oh my. We're about to see PT1. Let's see if we can see it. Oh my god, guys, talk about an entry, bro. Bro, I am up 600 on the day already, bro. Yo, it's been 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I know you guys are going crazy in the chat right now. Hold up. Let me see. Guys, what a trade, bro. 5 minutes today. How many points was this? Hold on. Oh my. I hope we can. I'm sure we can go higher. We didn't even tap liquidity, but guys, I took some fat trims. Like, I hope you guys are going crazy. Is break even too early? I don't know. It's 35 points. If you guys want to do it, be my guest. All right. Eval pass. Nice, guys. Nice. Guys, what a quick day. If you guys want to put your stop loss at break even, feel free to. I have some runners here that I'm going to hold on to just because I want to see the price targets and buyers are looking really good. I personally believe we can see higher. So if you guys want to hold with me, be my guess. If you guys don't want to run the risk, put your stop loss at break even. All right, guys. When did the live start? I put it in the chat like 5 minutes ago. I said I was going live. I saw the setup early, so of course I'm gonna start it as I see the setup. All right. That was crazy, bro. Can I still get in? Nah, man. The price already did its move. Now, if I can find another entry for you, I'll let you know. But we already got our move. But guys, that was such a perfect entry, bro. That was such a perfect entry. Oh my, wow. Like I said, I'm gonna hold these runners with the same stop loss. I don't mind having a 25-point stop loss on runners because I'm still gonna be green on the day. But I really want to see these price targets get tapped into. I really want to see them. So I'm gonna hold them. I'm gonna hold them for a while. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want to have a break-even stop loss, be my guest, right? If that's what you guys want to do, go ahead. If you guys want to be risk-free, but me, I like to run a little bit of risk with these runners, so I'm gonna hold it. All right, guys, I'm gonna hold it. In my opinion, I don't have a reason to see why we want to go down. But if that's what the market wants to do, then oh well. You know what I mean? But what a quick day. Can we still enter? I don't know. If I find another entry, I'll let you guys know. But so far, there is no entry. It's either you enter or you missed it. You know what I mean? How many runners you in? I'm in 3. Let me see. I would have passed my eval if I didn't force the trade yesterday. But GG, what a quick trade. Yeah, bro. This trade was quick, bro. 5 minutes. You guys saw it. You guys saw it live. That thing was crazy. Now, obviously, for the people saying like, "Hey, I thought you were gonna start the live at 9:45." Well, to be fair, I saw it set up early. It's either, you know what I mean? I'm gonna start it a little bit earlier, 5 minutes earlier. Bro, like, how do we hit a trade 3 minutes after the stream starts? Bro, I mean, I saw a setup as we were going. Yeah, we sniped it, bro. We sniped the shit out of this trade, bro. And like I said, I still believe we can see higher. I'm really liking this 425 level. I've been eyeing it all morning since I woke up. So we're gonna see. Let me see. I trimmed haven't got stopped at break even, so you should be a little bit green at least. A little bit green. If you got stopped at break even. Me personally, like I said, I'm not moving my stop loss to break even until we see at least 369, and then I'll move it to break even. All right, guys. YouTube, how you guys doing? How are you guys doing, guys? Literally in tears right now, bro. In a good way or a bad way? I don't know. In a good way, bro. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, bro. Quick day. And guys, ES is reversing here. Two. Oh wait, ES took out London lows. I didn't even realize. That's even better. That's even better. This thing should rip a little bit more, in my opinion. These runners should run. I didn't even notice. Okay, yeah, ES took out London lows right off open as well. Yeah, literally right off open. So yeah, both ES and NQ, they have more room to the upside. So like I said, everything should line up bullish. But obviously, if something bad happens, then make sure you guys are trimming on the way up, securing your profits. But we should have a little bit more room for higher, just a tiny bit, to at least see 369 and 135 on ES. So yeah, made my money. So but what did trading mean when I turning accounts into accounts into multiple 14? Oh, because if you're copy trading, remember, you have to like do the math on them. So depending on how many contracts you want to enter, it'll always bring up that alert. But it's just reminding you like, hey, you gotta multiply it by X amount of contracts accounts that you're trading. All right. Yeah, I'm really hoping this thing does not have a mini pullback to where I get stopped out on these runners, because I know for a fact this thing is gonna run up. It has so much more room for higher. But right now, price obviously we just opened up, so price is still trying to figure out what it's trying to do. But so far, in my opinion, everything is looking bullish for the morning. So hopefully we don't get stopped out beforehand. You know what I mean? Thanks a lot, David. Got out for 630. Nice, bro. I'm currently up $500 on the day. These runners, obviously, I was up six. I think I was up like 680, but these runners are bringing me down a little bit. Like I said, I'm not worried about them. I don't really care. I'm running the risk with these runners. But yeah, did you size 15? I did 10. Possible pullback? Yeah, possible. Like I said, I from the readings that we're getting, we should be going higher. But if the market wants to do, some weird shit, then these runners are probably gonna get screwed over. But we'll see. 339 on 4 accounts. Nice. I really have my fingers crossed that these runners can do something, because my hopes for upside is like I know we're gonna see it. I know we're gonna see upside. We have no reason to go down, especially with this strong level of liquidity up here. The market wants to take this out, and we know it. Bro, yeah, people are telling me in the chat like, hey, the entry, bro, guys, that entry that we got was perfect. You guys saw that. We entered literally as it broke out, and we got the perfect entry. Bro, I'm hyped up for today. I am hyped up for today. Now, yes, seems like it's picking up. It's breaking out some highs. That's a good sign. Like I said, we should be able to see at least 135, which will lead us into 369 on NQ. All right, guys, let me drink some water. What was my fill? My fill was 335. Great start of the week. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. And especially with us having FOMC tomorrow, we're good. Damn, bro, wasn't even home yet. Bro, the market's not going to wait for no one, bro. Are you in a trade? I am, yeah. Well, I'm practically almost done with the trade. I'm in runner for now, but I'm still in the trade, yeah. Yo, I found out why we're bullish these past 2 weeks. Talk to me, bro. Tell us. I would say it's mainly because, first of all, it could be the Santa rally. That's a known thing. Every December, the market just rallies, going into the end of the year. It's a known thing. It's known as a Santa rally, pretty much. But it could be because of Trump, or it's just the market's being bullish. Who knows? But yeah, so far, guys, price right now isn't pricing as we want it to be, which is fine. Like I said, I don't really care about these runners. The trade is already super green for me, so I'm happy with it. But if this can run a little bit more, I'll be so happy, because we know that this wants to go up. We know it. It's just price can't go all the way down here, because now we're gonna be screwed. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see. But regardless of what happens, we should be green on the day. You guys should be managing your own risk. All right, MNQZ. No, we're trading MNQH5. Remember, the contracts rolled over to 2025. No trade tomorrow since it's FOMC, right? Correct. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, if you guys want to trade the open, you guys could do that, but try. By try, I mean avoid. Like, at all costs, avoid trading anything past 11. It's gonna be horrible. So I would say, if you guys are gonna trade tomorrow, which obviously be careful, I would say try to trade until like 10:30 max, and just call it a day, because price gets very, very ugly, and I mean very ugly, which it's to the point where I don't want to trade. How much are you up per account? Currently, I'm up 520 per account, Nate, on realized gains. Now, these runners, obviously, they're going to bring me down a little bit if I get stopped out. But like I said, I'm running the risk. I know what I'm risking, and I'm fine with it. All right? And ES really wants to go higher. I'm really hoping we don't get an S&T flip. We should flip here very soon, but I don't know how soon. That's the problem. I don't want to get stopped out first and then it flips. You know what I mean? Because I really want this trade to run really nice. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Re-enter. Right now, there's no re-entry. Right now, there is no point of re-entry. But you know, it's either you're in or you're not. You know what I mean? Now, if I find another entry on the way up, I'll let you know. But the chance of that happening is pretty slim because we're close to taking our liquidity to the upside. So, you know what I mean? Tell us. Yeah, I got you guys. I got you guys. Of course. I got you guys. So far, I'm sitting at near break even. So on these runners. So right now, I'm curling up 540 on the day. Yes, it's ripping. Is it? Bro, I know, bro. Like, it's gonna be one of those days where NQ doesn't want to follow. It should be following, but look at this. Look at this. Too many sellers on NQ, not many sellers on ES. That's not the best sign, but hopefully ES can save NQ just a tiny bit to the point where, you know, we can get this trade running really nice. All right, guys. Will there be another trade, bro? This was too fast. I mean, I don't know if something comes up. You know what I mean? Was it too fast? How many? Okay, how many of you guys ended up catching this trade? Me? Okay, so okay, at least a lot of you guys caught it. Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about it. I know it was fast, but I don't think it was too fast. Didn't even get the notification it was live. Oh, well, I can't really control that. I did put it out though. It was too fast. All right, if I do see something, I'll probably just do commentary. I'll just do commentary. I like you want to stop out, bro. I mean, if you want to, go ahead. You know what I mean? This trade is a little bit hectic. Let me tell you. For these runners, yeah, but yeah, you can do as you want. Can you explain why we're not able to re-enter? Because there's no setup to re-enter. There's no setup to re-enter. You guys gotta pass. Oh, of course, yeah. The market is not gonna wait for you guys. You know what I mean? I mean, I was looking at the chats to see at 9:30 if you're seeing anything. Oh yeah, well I did put it out here in the premium chat that I was going live. Because obviously, you know, the setup came up so quick to the point where my fingers are not fast enough to put the setup, go live, start the live on YouTube, type the alert, start the live here. You know, what I mean, it's a lot of stuff. So, you know, I'm limited to a few things, but at least most people caught it. If I see something else, you know, as we go on, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I'm gonna focus on this trade. What was your entry? 335. 335 was my entry. Now, ES is picking up here, which is good. We're about to take our liquidity, so we should get a run-up on NQ very, very soon. Hopefully into 369. Hopefully. We should see it. Up 470 with this trade. Beautiful, bro. I'm currently up 600 on the trade. Per account. So we're doing good. We're doing good. You know what I mean? I'm happy with it. I hope you guys are happy with it, too. Let me see. Had an amazing entry idea, but my entry was canceled. Enter late. Where'd you enter? Where'd you enter? You taking everything out on 369? No, I want to take everything out around 425 if we're able to see that. Out for 230? We'll take it. We'll take it. We should be able to see 425 if buyers can just like confirm the momentum. Because right now, what's it called? Right now it's looking like, you know, we have buyers and sellers all over the place. It's kind of, you know, like, you know, it's kind of messy. So we don't know what price wants to do. We have the idea of what it wants to do, but we don't have the best confirmations. The setup is confirmed. The momentum isn't. Check the 1 minute. Oh, I hate the 1 minute, bro. I don't even want to look. Oh, hell no. I'm good off that. I'm good off that. Oh, wait. Krabby ended up catching longs as well at 339. Oh, but he caught the pullback, I think. Right? No, he entered at, yeah, 339 at 947. So he entered. Oh, he entered right here. Oh, he entered at the retest. Okay, cool, cool. So me and Krabby, we're in the same trade pretty much. We're in the same trade pretty much. That's cool. You got a trade? Yes, sir, bro. 40 points. Or like 37 points, but I usually just round it. I trimmed half a top. I wish I trimmed more. It happens, bro. Don't worry. Are you still in, Rapture? Or I don't know if you have a second for this. In my trade I have all of my accounts listed from the bottom with the dollars. How do I see my trailing, etc.? Okay, and Flash, really easy, right? So you remember the accounts tab that I told you about yesterday? I think I told you about it, right? In the accounts tab, you're gonna see like the little gear icon. You click that, right? And it's gonna open like a whole menu. You're just gonna find the thing that says trading P&L or whatever, and you're gonna drag that over, and it'll work. And guys, these pullbacks are dangerous, bro. I mean, we haven't taken out any liquidity, but man, these sellers are trying to step in big time. So I don't know. Maybe these runners might be cooked. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But if they are, so be it. I'm still happy with the trade. I think I'm gonna end, yeah, like 470 on the day. So it's all right, you know. But let's see, bro. We're 1 point away. Just take it out at this point. Okay, there you go. Okay, guys, I am out of these runners, guys. I am currently up $460 on the day, guys. $460. All right, guys. The runners got stopped out, but the trade idea, in my opinion, was amazing for a scalp. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna see if I can find one more trade for you guys. Obviously, it's really early. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. So yeah. All right, guys. Let me delete all of this. Perfect. All right. Now, in the meantime, let me catch up. How many contracts you do? I did 10. I did 10 contracts, guys. Will you be taking it or doing commentary? I'm personally green on the day, so I'll probably just do commentary. You trim most? Yeah, I said it in the alert, and I think I said it here in the live that I trim most up here, 40 points. Well done. Thank you, bro. Thank you. It was a really, really good snipe. Really good snipe. Now, I'm going to see if I can get one more reading here in the market. Obviously, we haven't taken our liquidity to the upside just yet, so I'm still bullish. We just need to see what we can catch there. When did you first trim? 35 points. When you're trimming, do you think you can say how much you trim? I did say it. I said I trimmed most. Did I not say it? I'm pretty sure I said it. And I put it in the alert channel as well. Peep. Right here, guys. Now, let me see. Yeah, well, it's kind of the same thing, right? I don't know. Yeah, David, on Tradevate, how can I put it to where I can see all the account, all the P&L? Oh, it's really easy. EJ, real quick, click the top. Okay, top left, click the massive plus button. It's gonna bring out all the tabs. You know, all the mini tabs. You're gonna find something that says accounts. You're gonna click that and drag it over to your tabs, to the bottom, and then it's gonna open everything, and then you just do it from there. What would be a good entry for shorts? I'm not bearish. Right now there's no entry for shorts at all. Actually, we're taking out every single level of liquidity to the downside, so it's a little bit, a little bit hectic. You know what I mean? So I would say, there's definitely a lot more room to the upside than to the downside, but we gotta give the market some time to kind of see what we can do. All right, guys. Long swing from the IFEG. Which one? Which one? I think we have one on the 15-minute, right? No, not even. All right. Now for the day, catch you Thursday. Bro, yeah, if you guys are green and you guys caught this trade good and everything with the correct trims and everything, I would say call it a day. Go enjoy your day. It's a quick day. We're blessed with it. We'll take it. You know what I mean? Now, me, I'm going to stay on just because, some people weren't able to catch a trade. So I'm going to give you guys some commentary here and there to, hopefully make up for the alert that you guys missed. Now, obviously, I can't control you guys missing the alert. At the same time, you guys got to be quick as well. You know what I mean? The market, I'm not going to wait for you guys, and the market's not going to wait for you guys either. So, catch you Thursday, bro. Fire trade. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you guys are green, guys, post those wins in the wins channel. I know a lot of you guys are green because this trade 140 points, to be fair. All right, guys. So yeah, you should get on before the market opens. I mean, bro, I'm waking up. I'm getting ready. It takes time. You know what I mean? I'm human as well. I'm not a robot where I can just hop on. Plus, I never really take trades right as the market opens. Never. So I always wait at least 10 minutes for the market to open, and then I go from there, depending on the momentum. Let me see. Bro, do we have another fair value gap at 9:45? 9:45. No, this is not a fair value gap. This is a regular candle. There's no gap, nor is it a 40-point candle. Let me see. Thank you for today. Big respect. Yes, sir, bro. The setup, bro. I'm telling you guys, the setup was perfect. Although it didn't run as much as we wanted it to, of course, we wanted 100 plus points. I'll take 40 points. You know what I mean? I'm good on the day, and you guys should be as well, if you guys caught it. Guys, you have to read the market. That too, of course. You're so good at it. I mean, okay, look. You guys know that you guys do not have to wait for me to sell. If you guys are happy with your profit, you can take full profits or just take partials. You know what I mean? You guys don't have to wait for me. First trade on the first PA. Bro, how much did you make? What was your P&L? It didn't go 40 points though. It was 35 from the high 68. Was it? I usually just round it up. I think I saw 37 and I just usually just round it up. But if it was 35, then yeah, my bad. 35 points. My bad, my bad. I did take trims at 35 points. I did say that, but I thought it ran a little bit higher. Look at ES. Yeah, ES is doing pretty much. It's playing around this London low. Now if you do want to go lower, which I don't know if we will, we can see this this low down here and this low down here as well. Just in case, let me have it marked out. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'm personally still bullish. I do believe we have a lot more room for higher. We just have to find another setup for it. All right, huge gap on NQ. There's no gap. It's just the contracts rolled over. So, guys, once again, I did say it yesterday, and I will say it again one more time today because obviously I don't want to repeat myself so many times. But guys, what you're gonna do is if you're trading on TradingView, for those that don't know, the contracts rolled over yesterday, last night. All right, guys. Now, what you're gonna do is when you're trading NQ or MNQ, if you guys see a massive gap on your chart, all you're gonna do is click BADJ, which means it's just adjust for contract changes, right? So anytime, anytime a contract rolls over, which is every quarter, you're gonna click this button. What this does is it simply just, you guys see how there's a gap here, a massive gap, right? When you click this, it fixes it. It will just adjust it. Right, so there's no gap, there's nothing. It's just, the contracts rolled over, so the price is different. Right, so just click that button and you guys should be good to go. Now, remember, guys, you guys should be trading MNQH5. All right? Ever heard of NDOG? Yeah, I have. My friend trades that strategy. I don't know what it stands for. It's like new something. But I don't trade it. 220 green, bro, we'll take it, bro. We'll take it. Any profit is good profit. Now, like I said, guys, I am still extremely bullish in the market. We just have to find one more setup. So obviously, I can help those that didn't catch a trade. So you guys can catch something. All right, guys. But for me, alert wise, I'm done. I'm just gonna commentate. I made my money. I'm sure a lot of you guys made your money from what I'm seeing. So yeah, send the trade before it plays out. I don't work like that, bro. Sorry. I can't just give you guys an entry before I get an entry. You know what I mean? It's just gonna make a huge mess. If you miss one trade, bro, you'll live. You know what I mean? The trades don't usually go this fast, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, obviously I can't put out an alert before I take the alert. That's, I'm not gonna give you guys something I'm not in, and it's just gonna make a huge mess because if I cancel out the idea and you guys were in, then you guys are gonna be blaming me over a trade I didn't even take. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stick to how I always work. It works out for everyone. Today was just too quick. You know what I mean? If you couldn't catch it, then there's always gonna be a next time. Trust me. I didn't make enough. I need more. I got you, bro. I'm gonna try to find something. I'm gonna try to find one more trade, but catch you guys Thursday. Thanks Blasters for today's trade. Love learning and making money at the same time. Yes, sir, bro. I'll see you guys not you guys. I'll see you, Joker, on Thursday, bro. I'm joking. I know, bro. Don't worry. I know. Yeah, David. If I'm on a 250k Apex account and I normally go in 5 contracts, but then if I'm super confident on another trade, I'll go in like 15. Hypothetically, would they deny my payout? You're running a little bit of a risk because you're doing improper risk management. If that's what I think that's what it is, where you're sizing too much and then you're sizing too little. So try to like balance it out to like the middle. Like you could do like 7, I guess, around there. But like I said, I don't know too much about that rule because I've never had an issue with it. But I do know some people have had issues with sizing. So be careful with that one. All right. Great trade. Thank you, bro. Which every morning was this fast. I wish. I promise you guys. I promise you. I woke up today. I looked at the market. I'm like, okay, perfect. We're not at all-time highs. I could probably get a trade really quick. And that's exactly what happened. In one candle, we enter and we take profit. Okay, let me see. And you guys can hear the hype in my voice. Like I'm never usually this hyped in the mornings because we don't usually get setups like this so quick. But when we do, I'm happy with it. I made my money. You guys made your money. At least some of you guys did. But yeah, let me see. David, wait. Let me catch up with everything because I did see a question here that I did want to read. Oh right, okay. So David, where did you post the daily profit limits for each Apex account? Oh, I got you. Here. Let me go ahead and send it over right here. Here you go. This should help you out. David, can you make a quick video after you end the live on why you thought it was gonna go up before you enter longs? I can do it right now. It's really simple. It's what we do every day. It's just a simple liquidity sweep. Wait, in the meantime, before I do that, let me catch up with other questions. Unfortunately, missed today's trade. Please post a commentary. Yeah, I got you, bro. Of course, of course. I got you. I got you. I got you. I'll do that. Okay. Now that I caught up with other, wait, let me see. If you know you will enter, please. Okay, that's not for me. Okay, perfect. By the way, guys, once again, if you guys are green, guys, do me a huge favor and post your wins in the wins channel. It'll mean the world to me. If you guys are green, it could be anything. All right, but here, let me do a quick recap so you guys can learn something new on why I was so bullish right off open. Really simple. Let me show you guys. All right. So, first things first. What here? Let me replay this. All right, guys. First things first. What is the first thing you guys see in the market here? Right. First things. The first thing you guys always do is obviously you guys mark out liquidity in the market. Always, right? So in this case, we have liquidity at London lows, and if you guys zoom out a little bit, you guys might realize that we also have liquidity right here, and we have liquidity right here. So we have 3 points of liquidity nearby. Right now, to the upside, we have a mini pullback, which is at 369. You guys obviously can see we created a high here. The market sold off, pulled back, created some liquidity right here, sold off even more, pulled back, created this liquidity, and is currently selling off to where we're at right now. All right. Now, what happens next? Well, the market opens up, and you guys might realize that we sell off straight into liquidity, which the main one being this London low. Now, you guys might also realize that we created a very nice fair value gap right here, which was about 50 points, right? It checks out perfectly. So we have a 2-in-1. We swept liquidity, or we took out liquidity, and we created a fair value gap. So all we need to do now is wait for the next candle to open, create the gap here. You mark the gap like this, right? And now that you guys see that we took out every level of nearby liquidity, which would be the London low, the one at 301, and the one at 282. If you guys zoom out, you guys will see it right here. These two levels of liquidity. Now that we took those levels out, you guys are noticing a very strong shift in buyers, right? We went from strong selling to strong buying, right? So what does this mean? What this means is that we're signaling a possible DOL sweep forming right here, right? So we're forming a DOL sweep, right? How do we know this? Because obviously we're getting a lot of sellers to come down. We took out liquidity, and now we're getting a sudden shift in buyers, right? Now, what do we have holding us from going any higher? Well, we have this bearish fair value gap right here from pretty much holding us down, right? So now that we have DOL, we have a DOL sweep, we have buyers stepping in, we have the MS, we don't have an MSS forming, but we're looking to inverse this fair value gap right here. All we need to do, guys, is wait for the inverse, and you take the long position once you inverse it. Then, boom, we catch a quick 35 to pretty much like 37 points, and the trade is done. All right. So that's pretty much the whole review. Like I said, guys, we do everything that we had today. We do it every day. No trade today. We already finished the day, bro. We caught 35 points. Yes, it's dumping. Is it? Oh yeah. Okay. What is NQ doing then? Or is she just staying there? Oh yeah, no. NQ's trying to sell off. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get one more reading for you guys, but no promises yet. Just yet. Obviously, I need to see how the market moves. Thank you for the trade. Do you mind checking? Yeah, of course. I'll check it out. But yeah, for the person that asked, which I completely forgot who it was, let me know if you understood the review. It's a quick one. It's a simple one. And it resulted in a really quick scalp for the day. All right. Now, in the meantime, obviously, we're still waiting for something to form. Right now, I would say there's no buys in the market just yet. Obviously, we are selling off a good chunk, but we're still near the opening range, so it's nothing crazy just yet. So we're gonna see. I joined the Discord last week. If I want to learn your strat, should I rewatch? No. Watch the one in the day trading guide channel. Here, let me link it over to you. My entire strategy is in this channel, right here. There you go. Bro, what? Bro, chill. 304 contracts. Wait, what? Bro. Bro, geesh. Which column did you say I should watch in the accounts tab? I found the gear icon. Just look for something that says trailing or TR drawdown, something like that. I forgot what it was. But it should be there. If anything, just play around with it until you find it. I forgot which one exactly it is. But yeah, I'm up 1 band. Thanks, Powell. Bro, what? I mean, bro, to be fair, we do have Powell tomorrow. So once again, guys, be careful with tomorrow. All right. Don't go out blowing up your account just because you're trying to get a little bit of profits with news. All right. Jervis says my account has been disabled due to inactivity. Last time I traded was Friday. That's weird. Try to contact them. Maybe they can just reactivate it. You should be good. Are you opening the charts tomorrow or not even looking? I typically don't even bother looking. I really with everything that I have, I hate trading FOMC days. I hate it with everything. I hate those days. I'll do CPI. I'll do NFP. But when it comes to FOMC, the problem with that is it's not an 8:30 a.m. news. What it is a 2 p.m. news, meaning that the market, once it opens, the second it opens, it's already anticipating the news. So what happens is the market tends to chop up until FOMC starts. So the problem with that is you're not always, obviously, there's gonna be days where you get good trades, but sometimes it just messes you up throughout the entire day. Man up and trade FOMC? Nah, bro, I'm good over here, bro. I'm good. Do these apply to the challenge phase? No, it's only for the PA phase. With the 30% rule, if you make over 1K on a 50K demo, and this is the one time, that it has disappeared. It's not supposed to disappear. But yeah, try to see what they say. One-on-one mentorship. I'm in CA and work 8:30 to 5 p.m. PST. Is it worth it? Will you have time? 5 p.m. PST. What time is that? 5 p.m. PST to EST. Oh yeah, bro, that's perfect. Yeah, because I usually do my calls from 6 p.m. going forward. Pretty much. So yeah, I'll be good. Because I usually do them from sometimes I do one-on-ones at 6, but I usually always do them from 9 to 10. So that should add up. But yeah, guys, so far the market, it seems like sellers are picking up really, really nice here. So I'm going to see what we can catch here. Alright, guys? If anything, we could wait for a liquidity sweep from 227 and see what we can cook up from there. Because like I said, I'm still really bullish. I want to be bullish. Just the levels to the upside is insane. I think it's because of FOMC. Nah, it's too early. It's Tuesday. FOMC is tomorrow. So if you're going to expect chop, it will be tomorrow. I made 288 and I went off the Discord notification. Okay, cool. Why my chart showing me? Okay, I already covered that. Do you do 10 micros? I do. Can you give us a limit order to get us the best entry? I wish, bro, but it's too complicated. It will cause too much confusion, so I won't do that. Sorry, bro. I know, but it's just too much. Bro, that was clearly a break and retest off New York Open. You take the wrong trades. I mean, bro, I'm green, bro. Like, I don't really know who you are, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna let some YouTube chat just tell me, like, I'm good, bro. I don't trade break and retest. I don't do that shit, bro. But if you made money, like, congrats, bro. We both made money. And I'm not really missing any trades. Because obviously I don't trade break and reset. So if you saw something there and I didn't see it, then you could take it. But for me, I'm gonna stick to the strat that I trade. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, bro, you made money, I made money, so we're good. You know what I mean? We're good. Your chart on TradingView is showing old NQ. No, it's not. It's a current NQ, bro. I'm catching with the chat here. And I didn't mean it first to come out as like too mean. Like, I'm sorry, like, maybe now that I'm looking back at it, what I mean is, like, just because you trade one strat doesn't mean I'm trading wrong. At the end of the day, I caught a pretty good trade. Like, I'm green on the day, really green actually. So, break and recess is RP strategy. It is. Yeah, I don't trade it. You know what I mean? Just don't tell me that I'm taking the wrong trades. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly, Frank. Like, so did we not change to 2025? We did, guys. We're trading MNQ H5. There you go. Once you pass the profit goal on the fund account, does it automatically pass through the evaluation phase? No. At the end of the day, you're gonna get an email after 6 p.m. EST. You're gonna get an email saying like, "Hey, congrats. Here's how you activate that account. Just sign these documents, and you're good to go." What's the difference between MNQH 2025 and MNQ1? MNQ1 is just a chart. MNQH 2025 is the contracts. So if you're looking to take the trade, you're gonna take it off MNQH 2025. Now, if you want a chart with really good stuff, like the charts being perfect and lined up, with everything, I would do NQ1 exclamation mark. You're more patient, so better to know. Yeah. But yeah, if we're gonna get another reading, I would say we should wait for 227 to get taken out first, and then we should be able to get something in the market. All right, guys. So if you guys want to wait for that, we should be good to go. All right, guys. But if not, like I said, if you guys are agreed on the date, there is nothing wrong with calling it. You guys, we got blessed enough to finish the day in about 5 minutes. So if you guys want to call it, feel free to. All right, guys. Feel free to. Break and retest is more like quick scalps. Yeah, I would assume so because remember you're taking a break out of like I'm assuming it's support and resistance, right? Or DOL, you can consider it, but in other words, it's support and resistance. So if you're trading support and resistance breakouts, you're more of a scalp trader. That's how it is. Because remember, you're trading a breakout. A breakout doesn't really last for that long. It's just a volume, like an impulse in volume. That's what it is. So yeah, it's more for scalps, I would say. And obviously, nothing wrong with the strategy. If it works, it works. I'm really not saying anything. Just I just don't like when people come to my stream and be like, "Hey, you're taking the wrong trades." Like, bro, what? Okay. Let me see. Use your own strat, not repeat. Of course, bro. That's what I teach. Of course, man. Of course, of course. Bro, Banks, you better be trolling, bro. Okay, there it is. There it is. I figured. Um, it's very like 10 points, so you have to put a good chunk of contracts. For real? Is that how it is? I mean, I've never traded it, so yes, it's gonna hit the lower low. Let's see. Oh, yes, it got liquidity actually. But the thing is, I want if okay, look, if you want to go back to being bullish, we're gonna need NQ to take out 227 first. We're gonna need that. Because it's a major level of liquidity. It's like one of the biggest ones nearby. So if we could take that out, we could definitely look for a sweep again and look for longs one more time. No, I'm saying. Wait, what? Not saying I'm better. Better. Kind of weird that someone with your experience loses those trades, those easy trades. I didn't lose. No, like I said, I'm not saying anything, bro. I I didn't lose the trade. I'm green. I'm green 470 on the day. I'm good. I'm good on the trade. Don't worry. Don't worry about me, bro. But yeah, the runners got stopped out. Yeah, I mean, eventually, obviously, the trade is not gonna run forever. You know that goes with any strategy. But yeah, a lot of us made money off this trade, including me. I made 400, 470. I took trims. I got what 30, 35 points on the trims, and then the runners got stopped out. Let me see. And then what should I do next time? Oh, EB for me, I trimmed most. I feel like I did say it. But I don't know. I might have just worded it differently. But yeah, I did trim most at that top. Wait, I got an email here. Mm, does this mean I did not hurt my trailing? Yeah, bro. You're good, bro. You're good. You're more than good. Yeah, you're good. I don't think he understands. Yeah, he probably didn't. Yeah, it's fine. He probably just didn't know I had runners. Yeah, the runners got stopped out. Like I said, obviously, no trade in the world ever will run forever. You're eventually gonna get stopped out. In this case, we caught a quick scalp, and then they just reversed. It happens. But the trade didn't lose. You said a big chunk. I mean that. You know, that's that's kind of the same thing, though. I mean, I'm sure it is. I mean, you know. David, Blask, can you show us what 227 level is? Yeah, of course, of course. If you go on the 5 minute time frame and you zoom out, it'll be this bottom wick right here. The market pumped up, reversed, found this bottom, and pumped up even higher, creating a higher high, creating liquidity down here. So we're looking to take out this 227 level before we see anything. All right, bro, salad. I did 7. My bad, 7. Because I got stopped out on 3 contracts. You starting the beef? No one, bro. We're good here, bro. We're good. Trust me. It's all good vibes here, bro. Here, let me open this up real quick. Uh, me see. Good shit today. I'll catch you Thursday. Hey, bro, peace out. Guys, once again, if you guys are green, remember, post those wins in the win channel if you guys caught it. And if anything, guys, call it a day. We got blessed today to the point where we got a trade very, very quick. So if you guys caught that, go enjoy your day. That's more progress added to your accounts. Closer to a payout. Thanks, bro. These live streams help a lot. Yeah, bro, we do them every day. Now, obviously, tomorrow, it's FOMC, so like I said, be careful with tomorrow. Tomorrow is definitely not the day to be risking too much. So I don't see 227. Well, just try to find the wick here. It might be a different price for you, but it should be this wick right here. Got that win. Thanks again. See you tomorrow. Yeah, look, if you got the win, get off. Get off the call. No point in over trading when you're already green. Yodi, why does my chart have 227 as 221? Are you on a different contract? Are you on NQ1 exclamation mark, or are you on another one? Check the 1 hour blast. How can you still be bullish? Oh, I'm not really too bullish. I told you guys I want to be bullish, but what is the 1 hour looking like? Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I told you guys I want to be bullish because the liquidity above. I was bullish, but obviously, it's kind of reversing here because obviously we want to take out more liquidity to the downside. Yeah, have 222. Okay, yeah, if you guys are on are charting, like, let me see. Hold on. Let me check for you guys. So if you guys are on MNQ, would it be a different level or would it be the same one? Let me delete everything here. If you're on MNQ, yeah, 226, the same thing. Now if you're on MNQ H 2025, the chart would look a little bit different, obviously. Yeah, okay, it makes sense. Yeah. Guys, so the reason the price is different over on MNQ H 2025 is because the contracts are not adjusted. So if you guys zoom out, look how weird price looks. It doesn't really add up with NQ. Why? Because look at this. Back then, no one traded these contracts, right? Remember, they recently got rolled over, so all the volume is going to start transferring over to this one. So that's what I'm telling you guys. If you guys are going to chart NQ1 exclamation mark, because this one has all of the accurate price. Look at this, guys. It has all the price being accurate. Now, if you guys are going to trade the contracts, trade MNQH5. All right, those are the contracts you trade. The thing that you chart is NQ, the regular one. All right, because price is going to be different. Why? Because those contracts back then, they aren't adjusted to the price right now. All right. So yeah, be careful, guys. Be careful with that. So make sure anytime you guys are charting, always chart NQ1. That's the best one. I got her out for 300. Very nice scalp. So you Tuesday. You mean Thursday, bro? Come on now. But yeah, good shit, bro. Good shit. 300, we'll take it. 300, we'll take it. How do you take partials on Apex accounts? You can take partials on any accounts. Pretty much all you're doing is you're just selling less than what you're holding. So if you have 10, when you sell anything below 10, you're taking partials. You're taking a portion of your position. You're just securing it. How do you put different positions on the same trade? You can't, and I never did that. So yeah, don't do that. That's Check the 15-minute. What do we have on the 15-minute? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Nothing that's really catching my eye. Yeah. But I've been trading MQ this whole time. Always wonder why you want. Yeah. So once again, I always tell you guys. How many trades? I did 7. Christian, I did 7. I saw a high on the trade of like 600, and then I ended up selling for 470 because my runners ended up going red. But I've been charting MNQ this whole time. Always wonder why you were. Oh yeah, I always tell you guys. I always chart on NQ1 because I always tell you guys it has the accurate price. It has the price of every contract all put together. Now, if you're trading one contract on TradingView, then you're only gonna see the price for when that contract existed. The contract didn't exist for forever. NQ did. That contract only exists for a set amount of months. Right? So hopefully I'm not confusing you guys too much, but pretty much simplified, just chart NQ, trade MNQ H 2025. Bro. Jeez. I just read the. Oh my god, bro. I just read the. Bro, I hope you're trolling, bro. I hope you're trolling. bro. David, David, my dad don't trust me anymore. I put my college fund into a live account and I lost it all. Why would you do that, bro? Oh my god, bro. I really don't know what to tell you. Like, why would you do that? Did you even have any experience with futures? Like, how, bro? I, you gotta be joking, bro. School has never been for me. I'm street smart, not book smart. I mean, but obviously you don't full port your college fund, bro, in a trade. You can invest it, that's always good. But bro, in a trade, bro, come on, bro. You're better than this, bro. Come on, man. Why would you do that, bro? Oh man, I really hope you're trolling, bro. I really, really hope you're trolling. If I have a kid, best believe I'm full porting my son's college fund. Yeah, I'll do the same thing. Nah, I'm kidding, but bro, like, come on, bro. That's why would you do that, bro? That's not smart at all. Why trade your money when you get your profit? Exactly. Well, there's a few strings attached to it, but you know. David, how do you explain to people when they say they can't understand how trading works? I just tell them it's really complicated. It's a whole it's a whole thing. I don't know. When people ask me like oh, how do you get started? I'm like, bro, it's a lot. You know what I mean? Like, have you entered a setup yet? Yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm just waiting for one more setup to come up. But yeah, we ended up catching this right here. We ended up catching this trade right here. So NQ longs. We got an entry at 334. We ended up setting up at about 35 points. So we entered here. We sold up here. I'm really surprised we never saw 369. I mean, we were like 4 points away, which is a bummer, but so the market is sometimes. Yo, Blast, on TradeView, can I trade my No, no, you can't. No, 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 no. It's only for TradeView. Help. Oh, let me see. It's really see. Oh, Kenny, real quick. Just click this button at the bottom. Where it says BADJ adjust, or yeah, B adjust pretty much. Just click this, and it should fix it. Yo, Blast, how long did it take for you to become profitable and consistent in your trades? 2 years, bro. 2 years. I'm never gonna forget the date. It was the summer of me going into senior year. 2 years. It took me to become profitable. That's when my account went from red to green on the all-time P&L, and ever since then, here I am, bro. Pretty much teaching you guys. So it's been okay. Let me see. So thanks for all the information you share with everyone, man. You're a goal for sure. Hope everyone in here has a huge success. And hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. I lost a trade and then I took 5 more and lost the most. I mean, bro, like obviously, bro. Look, if you don't have experience with your discipline to the point where you can't handle a loss in trading, why in the world would you put your college fund up in a trade? Bro, you set yourself up for that one, bro. I can't really do much. I mean, the damage has been done already. Yeah, I mean, obviously, I don't want you to give up, but man, you're in a rough spot, bro. Like, obviously, bro, if you can't like discipline yourself to hold back on one loss, why in the world would you ever put your college fund into 5 forced trades, bro? Bro, you set yourself up, bro. I'm sorry, man. That's something, bro. That's something, man. Are we done for the day? I'm personally done for the day, but I'm trying to give you guys one more trade for the people that missed it because the first trade was a little bit quick. So I obviously want to make sure that my entire team is making money, not just some of them. Hey, what's up, Lopez? Yeah, bro. You got yeah. You David, 25. I want a $3,000 payout. Can we do that, bro? That's simple, bro. Bro. That's simple though. A $3,000 payout in 1 year, bro. Bro, aim for more, bro. Aim for a $40,000 payout. Aim for 100K, bro. Fuck that. Yeah, you have a whole year for that, bro. Come on now. You can aim for more. You know what I mean? It'll be choppy tomorrow. Oh yeah, we know. Trust me, Daniel. That's why I'm avoiding tomorrow. I really don't. I promise you, with everything that I have in me, I hate trading FOMC days. With everything I have. Can you show how you found NQ on TradingView? Yeah, just type NQ and just click this one, and it will just bring you to this right here. Blast, I've had my 50k eval since December 2nd, and I'm only $500 in profit. Does that mean I'm a trash trader? No, bro. Just take your time, bro. First of all, never compare yourself to others. Second of all, it's not a get rich overnight thing. It takes time. If anything, bro, you should be happy for yourself that you're taking long, because some people they don't make profits for like 2 days, 3 days, and they full pour the entire account because they don't have the discipline to hold back. So, bro, you're good. You're more than good. If anything, you're in the right steps. And bro, how are you a trash trader if you're up $500 in profit? Come on now. You know what I mean? You're fine, bro. You're fine. Just take it one day at a time, bro, and you'll be good. You know what I mean? Once you get that funded account, bro, you'll feel like really rewarded. No live tomorrow? Probably not. No. Like I said, I don't trade FOMC, and I suggest you guys don't trade FOMC. It's not worth it. All right, guys. It's a big news day tomorrow. I always avoid it. You guys should too. Now, if you guys are going to trade it, I told you guys, trade the first hour of the market open and then get off. No more than that, because then the market is going to get very ugly. It always does. And well, people, peace out, diamonds, bro. Peace out, man. $400 closer to passing my eval? Exactly, bro. You know what I mean? Like, one day at a time, bro. If you guys took, like, if you guys are up $50, $100, $200, or even $400 on the day with this trade today, guys, be grateful. It's profits. You're 1% closer into getting a payout or even getting funded. So look in the bright side, always. You guys can't get greedy in these markets, especially when you guys are making profits. Like, don't be like, oh, I should have had more. Nah, bro, just take what you have, bro. There's always going to be a tomorrow. There's always going to be a tomorrow. Always. What's your trade management? I feel like it changes based on the trade. What do you mean by trade management? Are you talking about risk management? What I look for my setups? It varies. You know what I mean? You got to be a little bit more specific. My goal is to make 125k next year, bro. Let's do it. You know what I mean? If anything, aim for higher. When I do NQ, I find a gap. Yeah, I know. Just click this button. The B this button all the way at the bottom. Just click this. It should fix it. When will you trim 7 today over 6 yesterday? I didn't trade yesterday. I never trimmed 6. Got approved yesterday, bro. There it is. You see what I mean? Boom, 4K payout, bro. Congrats, bro. Huge props to you, my man. Huge props to you. This is your cat goon. Bro. Okay. Bro, listen. Bro. But, bro, huge congrats, bro. Like, there it is. You guys see what I mean? Discipline, patience, just take the right trades, and you're going to get yourself a payout, bro. Like, it's that simple. You see what I mean? But, bro, huge congrats, bro. Huge congrats. That's what I like to see, bro. That is what I like to see. Is the 50-minute a bearish rally gap at 10 a.m.? No. Why do I say no? Because there's no gap here. Oh, wait. You're talking about this one. Let me check for you. Actually, I mean, you could probably use it. I wouldn't. This candle with the wicks, it's kind of questionable. But if you want to run the risk, go ahead and do so. All right. Thanks. Of course, bro. Of course. Anyone got a payout from Apex? I mean, Top Step. Yes. A lot of people have. One of them is Batman. He's gotten over 24k in payouts. So if you want to add him and ask him any questions, you can always ask him, because he does Top Step. I do Apex. I know your strategy and still hesitated, bro. It's okay, bro. It's alright. Hesitation happens. I hesitate all the time as well. You know what I mean? Especially when I'm live in front of 500 people. You know, it's really hard, but it happens. David, I feel like in 2025 is gonna be huge for the community members. I feel like I'm just having Wait, what? I feel like I have an understand moment now. Yeah, bro. I mean, you guys know. I'm on here every day teaching you guys, trading with you guys literally every single day. You know, as we go closer and closer and closer to, as we go on, obviously you guys are gonna get the momentum of it and eventually become your own boss and take your own trades. You know what I mean? Any tips on getting more discipline in the market? Bro, my tip to you, bro, the gym. It builds discipline in your body, in your mind, and obviously, you need a good mind to trade. It's not, you guys know that the trading is not all about the charts. It's about your mental, your emotions, everything. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Where did I exit the trade? I exited the trade at about 35 points, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was 35 or 37. Around there. I gotta check. Yo, I just joined. Have you caught a trade yet? Yes, we're practically done for the day, Patrick. Right now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find one setup for the people that missed the trade. But that's about it. But for me, bro, 35 points, one and done. Can we use a 50-minute for rally up to reject down to liquidity below? You could. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Because we still have room for lower. We shouldn't reverse here. We should go into 227 next. So yeah, if you, the person that asked for the 50-minute for rally gap, if you want to use this one right here, you really could. There's definitely a lot more room for lower. David, I appreciate you, bro. Wins and losses, of course, bro. Of course, you gotta appreciate everything. You know what I mean? It's not only the wins, because obviously, once I lose, it's the two-faced people coming up. So, you gotta appreciate everything. When you say you trim most, how much percent is that? Um, I'm not gonna lie. I just trim however much. I this time it was 7, but you guys can do as you guys want. Bro, I get this notification every fucking day, bro. Does this only apply to expense accounts or when you're already funded? No, it's only when you're funded. Like not eval. It's when you pass the evals. David, I'm finding out my first PA, but I'm struggling to build my account. I only take A+ setups and the risk management, but I always mess up trimming and take full profits. I always make the least out of my winners, no matter what I do. Any advice? Um, it's gonna be the same advice that I always tell everyone. It's gonna be, bro, learn how to sell a portion and just learn how to hold your trades. Now, obviously, I can't just tell you like, oh, hold your trades. You know what I mean? It's obviously a lot harder than that. You gotta ask yourself, okay, am I oversizing to the point where I'm scared to hold the trades? Am I too married to the account to the point where I'm scared of losing it? You gotta fix those things. Make sure you journal. Try to find the pattern in the mistake that you're making, and try to fix it. That's the only way. Hey, bro, your storage is. I know, bro. I know. What price point are we waiting for? Right now, we're looking for a sweep below 227, but I don't know if we're gonna see that because buyers are stepping in very strong right now. They shouldn't be stepping in. We should be getting a rejection off this 15-minute fair value gap, very soon. I would hope so. It would make the most sense. I mean, we shouldn't be reversing this. I mean, for what? You know what I mean? Oh, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I completely forgot. I got off the live and I went straight to bed. But yeah. Bro, you haven't relaxed since starting this Discord. Trading's out. I'm glad to see you, bro. Yeah, bro. Bro, yeah, that's right, bro. You're with me since like, bro, options, bro. Yeah. Vacay coming soon. Yeah, I'm flying out on Friday, so I'm gonna be off Friday, but I'm gonna be trading all of next week as well, except for Christmas, of course. And not that I don't want to trade. It's just the market is gonna be closed. Since the beginning of the Discord, yeah, bro. What is it? 2-3 years? It's fucking crazy, bro. 2-3 years, bro. Nah, that's one of my OGs. Why is that significant low? It's only a wick. Are you talking about this one, the 227 level? It's a strong level of liquidity. It's where the market bounced from yesterday. So there's some liquidity that the market might want to take out down here. So will be a valid trade. I would say I would probably not take this, but if you guys are looking to take a trade, you guys can consider looking for something like this, right? Obviously, you wait for a nice 25-point rejection. So if you guys do want to get an entry, I would say maybe like around 277 if you guys want to run the risk, and you simply just target liquidity down here. You're looking at a quick 50-point scalp, which is not bad at all. So if you guys do want to run the risk, this is not a bad trade. It's not something I would really take, but like I said, if you guys want to run the risk, be my guest. All right, guys, that's up to you guys. It's you guys are clicking the button. But right now, for me, like I said, I'm just watching. I want to wait for liquidity to get taken out at 227 before I become bullish. All right. But yeah, and by the way, we are on the 15-minute time frame, and we're getting a very nice rejection here, which is amazing, which is confirming everything. So yeah, I don't know if you guys took that or not, but you guys let me know. That's your trade. You know what I mean? I don't want to take credit for that at all. What's the best fundamentals or technicals you've learned that help you improve in your trading? What do you mean by fundamentals and technicals? So we can enter where? I don't know, like around 277. If you guys, that's if you like. Listen, guys, I'm not gonna take credit for this trade. Win or loss, I don't really care what happens. Just manage your own trade. Like I said, right now it's just ideas. I'm not gonna give you guys any ideas until we see 227. This is just something because someone mentioned like, hey, should I take shorts off this 15-minute fair value gap? I'm like, yeah, you can probably take it. It'll probably work out. You know what I mean? But if you guys don't want to take it, don't take it. You know what I mean? But yeah, you can do as you guys please. I'm just putting out ideas right now. How the fuck do I force myself to exit? I mean, bro, you could be emotional. You could be too hooked onto the account to where you're scared for the profits or to lose to the point where you force yourself like, hey, I'm scared. I want to get out of the trade right now, and I'm not gonna give the market time to do what I wanted to do. Yo, bless bro. Hey, bro, Leo, take care, bro. Take care, my man. Hey, Ben, bro, if you're green on the day, bro, go post on the wins channel, my man. All right, bro, go post on the wins channel. But yeah, how long does it typically take your members to grasp and understand and consistently apply the strategy? I honestly, okay, for the people in here, because obviously I'm not gonna answer it for you guys. You guys, that's something you guys should be answering it on yourself. Um, but how long would you guys say that it takes you guys, or for the people that at least understand the strategy, how long would you guys say that it took you guys to understand the strategy and start seeing consistent wins? I would say like what it takes you guys like what like 2 months? Yeah, someone said a month. Someone said almost a year. To be honest, I don't even think I've been teaching for a year. So yeah, of course, everyone is different. Keep that in mind, Lester. Everyone is different, but I would say like what, like 2 months. You should at least get the grasp of it. If that's what you're talking about, obviously not consistently, but you're gonna start looking at the market and you're gonna be knowing what you're looking for. You know what I mean? No longs. On the 15-minute IFEG, I wouldn't. Not yet, because obviously we can't just inverse a fair value gap, which we just did. You know what I mean? But I would want to see 227 get taken out first. Now, if you want to take the inverse without the sweep, you could. You know what I mean? I mean, if buyers are stepping in strong, why wouldn't you? You know what I mean? I mean, look at the 5 minute time frame. You know what I mean? But me personally, I wouldn't take it just yet, just because we don't have the confirmation of us getting the reading in the market. Obviously, I would want us to sweep 227 first to take out the liquidity down there, so then we have no worry to the downside and we just go up. Yabelas, can you say Janet? I don't know what that means, bro. 1 month or so to understand the strat. Okay, yeah. So understanding the strategy is not impossible. I mean, obviously, I mean, all of you guys understand it. I would say it's not hard. I would say it takes like 1 to 2 months. Now, the hard part is controlling your emotions, discipline, patience, and pretty much your mental. Now that takes like years. That takes forever. That's not like a 1 year thing. That takes forever. If I want to risk about 350 per trade, and say for example I risk 20 points in one trade and I risk 30 points on one trade, I would enter with 11 micros on the 20 point trade and 7 micros on the. Would Apex deny that payout because of that? No, you should be good. You should be good. You should be good. On Wells Fargo, bro, Wells Fargo is amazing. At least from my experience, I've never had. I don't want to jinx it. But I haven't had any issues with them. I'm fairly new here. What do you mean when you say you're trimming and you're in runners? Okay, simple. So pretty much think of trimming as, okay. Let's say for example, I enter the trade full size, right? And the trade is going up like crazy. It's going up in our favor, and we love the profits, right? What we're gonna do is, as the trade is going in our favor, we're securing profits on the way up. So we're simply selling portions of the full position. Meaning, if I enter 10 contracts and the trade is up 30 points, I'm gonna sell 5 of the 10. Meaning, like even if the trade goes against me, I'm still securing guaranteed profits, right? If the trade keeps going higher, I'm gonna keep selling on the way up. If the trade goes lower and it stops me out at like break even or something, that means that I'm still gonna be green on the trade because I took profits on the way up, right? It's pretty much, think of it as like micromanaging your position. Pretty much, that's what it is. That's how we become profitable in the market, right? Knowing if it's a high quality setup is also hard. No, not really. Not really. It's actually one of the easiest things ever. Um, it it's really simple actually. All you have to do is look for 4 things, right? And look, for example, right here, right? Is this inverse an A plus setup? No. Why is that? Because we don't have all the confirmation that we typically look for in the trade to take this trade. Obviously, if you would have taken this inverse, you would probably have gotten stopped out any moment now. Why? Because it's not perfect. Why is that? First of all, we're missing the liquidity sweep. Second of all, we don't have the buys just yet, right? We're getting some buying, but we don't have the confirmation for that. So it's really easy. So yeah, I wouldn't say finding a high quality setup is to be fair, all the trades that we take, every single trade that I put out in the futures alert channel, they're all as high quality as they could be. You know what I mean? Like, I will, obviously, you guys know I would never give you guys a setup that I would never take in my account. You know, so yeah, it's really not hard to find A plus setups. It's pretty easy. You just gotta look for the confirmations, right? Obviously, if the trade is not giving you any reading, then it's not good. You know. Let me take a deep breath. I'm super thirsty. Okay. Okay, this time I'm gonna control myself on Friday. I was tempted and I took a trade. I didn't listen to last trades. I ended up losing my profits and having some losses. So, so guys, listen to. Well, I'm not saying listen to me all the time. You know, obviously, I'm a student to the game, but my job here is to obviously help you guys. You know, become as profitable as and consistent as possible. You know, obviously, I have results that speak for themselves. You know, not only my payouts, but a lot of your guys' payouts. You know, a lot of you guys get a lot of payouts ever since you guys joined, and obviously, I'm not taking credit for that. You guys took the trades, you guys managed your risk and everything, but you know what I mean? You know, like, pretty much what I tell you guys is something I know that works. You guys can take it with a grain of salt, or you guys can listen. You know, I don't really mind. It's up to you guys. At the end of the day, it's you guys paying for it. You know what I mean? So, yeah, if you guys want to listen, you know, go ahead. It's, you know, it's nothing against me. I don't really mind. But if you guys, of course, want to help yourself and everything, then yeah, be my guest. What the hell, bro? That is long, bro. Hold on, let me catch up with everything else. Does your strategy only work in the New York session? I would say I would lean more towards yes. It works during Asia and London, but the thing is with Asia and London is that the volume is so low that you finding a perfect setup like this, it's very slim. So does it work in other sessions? Yes. Would I use it in other sessions? No. I would only focus on New York because New York has all the volume that you need to really get a really good trade going. All right. I pay him to, yeah, pretty much. $170 away from drawdown on my PA. What do I do? I mean, bro, try to size less and just take mini trades and just take all the profits that you possibly can. When may you choose this strategy over others? Okay, well, I've traded a ton of strategies in my career, and this one, it just gives you the most understanding of the market. Obviously, I'm sure you guys probably came from supported resistance, EMA breakouts, or whatever. And when you guys understood this strategy, you guys tell me, does it not make more sense to understand more of the market? Like, you just have more of a reading of what's going on in the market. It's just so much better. It's so much better than a simple breakout that you don't know if it's gonna break out or if it's gonna fake you out. Right? With this strategy, you know exactly what's happening with each level. You know where the market wants to go to, when it wants to go to it, how it wants to go to it, etc. So, in my opinion, I would say this strategy is, yeah, trend lines. Yeah, I mean, we all came from that. You know what I mean? Even I came from that. To be fair, I'm not embarrassed from it. I used to love that strat, but you know, it doesn't. I'm not gonna say it doesn't work. It's just you don't get a good reading of the market. Sure, you can make your money, but at the end of the day, you know what I mean? Like, you know, people need to hear it, read it. I mean, bro, that's long as hell, bro. Jeez. Uh, let me see. Let me skim over it real quick, bro. Cause bro, that's long, bro. I mean, there's like a million people typing, so. See, we need something. Oh yeah, but look, in trading, I always tell you guys, in trading, less is more all the time, guys. The moment you guys realize that you don't need to trade every day is when you guys will become profitable. Trust me, trust me. Because obviously, you guys know. For example, yesterday there was no setups. What are we gonna take in the market? Nothing. You know what I mean? But if you guys feel the need to take a trade, you're not gonna become profitable because the market has no probability setups. Right? So once you guys learn that, then you're good. Hold on, let me catch up with everything because I have a whole chat to catch up on. Wells Fargo or Chase, both are good. I have both. I have Wells Fargo for my personal and Chase for my business, for my LLC. Um, do you know if TradingView works on with Apex copy trading? No, they don't. They don't have copy trading. No, no, no. How come you said we were headed lower with this fair value gap? Yeah, swap liquidity. Cause we haven't swapped liquidity on NQ. We want to see 227. So that's what I'm telling you guys. I wouldn't take this inverse at all. I mean, if you guys want to and you guys want to run the risk without having that confirmation, sure. But not something I would take. Let me see. For a school schedule, if you have to pick a day off for trading, what would you choose between Monday or Friday? Okay, that I can't answer because obviously I don't know what days are gonna be good in the market. You know what I mean? It's kind of like a in the moment type of thing. You know. Um, but if anything, I would probably choose. I would say we have good Mondays, right, guys? Mondays are good usually. So if I had to pick, I would say Mondays. Yeah, try to take Mondays off. Yeah, yeah. All days of the week are is a hit or miss. We don't know what's gonna happen, but um, just hopping in any trades yet? Oh yeah, bro, you're like an hour late, bro. Matter of fact, you're more than an hour late. But yeah, if I were to choose anything, if you have to choose, I would do Monday. Why is the market chopping? It's not chopping. It's not chopping at all, actually. It's actually really good today. Really, really good. Can you copy trade your top step account on your to your Apex? No, actually you can on NinjaTrader, not on Trade8. Do you think you see another setup? I mean, we kind of are in a setup right now. It's just we don't have the confirmations for it. Like it looks good. It's a good inverse. Buyers are stepping in nice, but the problem is we don't have the confirmation to know if we want to go up or if this is just a mini pullback. That's the problem. Now, if we would have taken out this liquidity down here at 227, we would have been had a setup. I would have been told you guys like, hey, you guys should enter. But we're in a spot right now where price is like, you know what I mean? But yeah, I really want to. Obviously, you guys know the whole reason I'm on is because I want to give you guys one last setup before I get off. But man, I really wish you guys were a lot faster today to the point where I wouldn't have to be in the live, right now. But the market was I really don't think it was too fast. I mean, okay, look, let's do like a little VOD review. All right, guys, hold on. Let me pull this up. Cause guys, what I mean, peep this, guys. You guys can see the stream, right? Yeah, you can. All right, guys, peep this. I mean, it's amazing. I really don't think today was fast. I really don't think so. Look, okay. Look at this. I started the live. You guys had about, what, 5 minutes to join. You guys had 5 minutes to join, right? Look at this. Let's find out. I mean, let's see what we can cook up here, guys, all right? You guys can hear it, right? I hope so. Look at this. In the meantime, I know we're about to get in. Okay, let's see if we can get an entry here. Get ready, guys. Okay, look, so we broke above the fair value gap, right? Peep this, guys. We broke above the fair value gap, and I'm going to say, guys, I'm in. Price does not do anything. I'm saying I'm in. You guys have a few seconds to join in. You know what I mean? So I don't have control over how fast you guys are. But look at this. Get ready. Look. The buying. Look at this, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna enter longs here. I like the way this is holding up. Guys. Okay, look. I said I'm gonna enter longs here, right? How many seconds is that? Let me see. So look at this, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna enter longs here. I like the way this is holding up, guys. I'm in longs. I am in longs, guys. I am in longs. 5. I am in longs, guys. 7, 8, 9. 10, I am in NQ 11. Long, guys. You guys had 11 seconds to enter. It wasn't pass if you were prepared. Yeah, exactly. So, remember, guys, at the end of the day, I can't please everyone. So, if you guys didn't catch a trade, you know what I mean? You guys have to be fast, right? But I started the live on time. I said I'm in on time. You guys could have had the same entry as me for 11 seconds. And then, obviously, the trade goes in our favor. Press the button very quick. You know what I mean? So, obviously, I don't have control over you guys not entering quick enough. You know what I mean? I did my job at the end of the day, So, I can't really take the blame for that. Obviously, I can't control the market and how fast it moves. But, to be fair, this trade was a regular trade. I mean, I gave you guys everything on time. And you guys had 11 seconds to enter. And I said I'm in, like, 20 times. Bro, stop defending yourself. It's not your fault at all. I know. But, like, bro, it's just seeing you guys say that, hey, like, it was too fast. I'm like, bro, it really wasn't. At least not from what I remember. But, do I enter now? I mean, bro, no. How long? Oh my, my bad. I started talking mid cough. How long was the trade? The trade was 2 minutes. The trade was a 2-minute long trade. So, I guess that's where you guys got confused. I mean, look at this. We entered at 9:44. We got out at 9:46. So yeah, 2 minutes. A 2-minute long trade. But hey, you guys have to be fast. You know what I mean? Obviously I can't click the button for you. It was like 30. It was 35, 37, I think. Blas, how do you make price action pump up when you enter longs? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Some people just waiting for David to give up the call and not knowing what the market is doing. Yeah, I mean. Wait, what? Judder, wait, what? Wait, what? Is that a typo? Or... Also, guys, price keeps playing on this fair value gap. Like, is it going to inverse it or not? Because if it does, it'll be amazing. But, like, come on. Should we enter? I wouldn't. I really wouldn't. The lack of confirmations is there. You know what I mean? Now, if you guys, like I said a million times, if you guys want to run the risk and take longs off this inverse, be my guest. Would I do it? No. Why? Because we have not taken out liquidity down here. I would want us to take out liquidity before we get any setup, because now you can't get a clear reading in the market. Because at this point, you don't know if it's a pullback or if it's, that's the problem with this setup. Yo, Jetta, I don't care if you made a typo or if you meant complain. Because that's one bold question, bro. That is one bold question. So basically, we look for a similar setup once we take out liquidity. Yeah, exactly. We can look. It's just looking for an inverse. That's all. And it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be an inverse. It could be off a continuation model as well. It's rejecting too many times. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. Like I said, I'm telling you guys, the setup is not perfect. Like, if you're gonna take this, please be careful. You know what I mean? Sure, it seems like buyers want to step in, but at the same time, you don't have a sweep to work with, so you don't know if buyers are really confirmed or if this is just a pullback. That's why I tell you guys, always make sure you guys have all your confirmations before you take the setup. If not, it won't be good. Because then you're going to be second guessing yourself when you're in the trade. Like, if you guys are in the trade right now, I'm sure you guys are probably second guessing yourself, like, hey, should I have taken this? You know what I mean? Patiently waiting for the DOL sweep. Well, I don't know if we're going to get it now. It's pretty far away, but, maybe tomorrow or maybe later. Oh, well, tomorrow, I don't know if we're going to take a trade, but, Can you send me the DOL link? Yeah, I got you. Let me find it real quick. Give me 1 second. Now, if anything, guys, tomorrow I could do a class. If you guys, obviously, I don't want to make up for a missed day. You know what I mean? There's no time to take off. But if anything, tomorrow I can give you guys a class and we learn something. You know what I mean? I cover some topics and, we go from there. What do you look for with a continuation model? Okay, I look for one thing. I'm going to call you Sean, right? Sean, right? Sean, okay. It's really simple. All you have to do is ask yourself, okay, have we taken out liquidity? If we have not taken out liquidity, that means that price still has room for higher. Meaning that you could use a fair value gap in that direction, meaning a continuation model. Now, if price took out liquidity, that means that price probably doesn't want to go any higher because it already took out the price that it wanted to take out, right? Meaning that you're going to start looking for an inverse of any nearby fair value gap. Can I reset a PA somehow? Nah, bro, you got to restart the whole progress, bro. Yep. It sucks, but, I know, bro, I know. What ended up happening? I'm telling you, forced to trade, bro. This price is moving really slow. Yep. Keep in mind, we are headed into lunch hour very soon. So you guys know anything past 11, it gets very slow until 1. And even after 1, it's still slow. Call it? Are you guys down to call it? I really want to give you guys one last setup. But if I see something come up, which, I don't know at this point, it's really far away from liquidity, but okay, to be honest, not to be honest, to be fair, how would you guys rate the live trading today? Was it good? We did get a good trade, but some people missed it. Looks bullish right now. It's just liquidity. Fire. Okay, bet. I'm just kind of catching up with you guys because I obviously don't want you guys to be like, hey, like, if this is how the lives go every day, I don't want to be here. You know what I mean? I'm just making sure you guys are good. Are y'all in? No, I'm not in anything. But yeah, it was good, but low amount, bro. It was like 37 points. What? Bro? That's not low. That's good. That's profits, bro. That's a lot of profits, actually. I don't need to cancel it. I think they cancel it automatically. I have a question. Ask ahead. Before I get off. Ask ahead. Ask ahead. But yeah, I would say today was a good day. You guys watched the trade live. We caught everything on time. We sniped the entry. So I'm not gonna say it was bad. It was actually really good. I'm happy with my profits. I'm sure you guys are, for the people that caught it. But if not, don't worry, guys. There's always gonna be another trade. You know what I mean? Wouldn't this be drawn liquidity? Are you talking about 424? Right? 424, right? We got your blast. Have a good day. You too, bro. You too. Does the PA blow at 22k? No. It's after you hit the drawdown, which, it's way below that. Yeah, no, there is liquidity up there. Neko, right? That's your name, Neko? Yeah. Yeah, I have the same level. Now, obviously, I would mark out this one, which is 425, right? Because remember, we played around this level, but we never took it out. So it's still a very valid level. I would mark out 425.75, which would be a lot better. All right? But yeah, it is a valid level. Now, if we can head into this level going into Thursday, I can give you guys... I could probably give you guys a 100-point trade on Thursday if we can be bullish. All right, guys. What's the new contracts on TradingView? It is MNQH 2025. But yeah, if guys, if we're bullish on Thursday and we still haven't taken off 425, because obviously we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. But if we never take out that level, I could probably give you guys a very, very good trade. So high hopes for Thursday. Obviously, be prepared for anything, but I could probably give you guys something really, really good on Thursday, right? So fingers crossed. All right, guys, fingers crossed. But from here on out, guys, the market is getting slow. I'm gonna take my profits for the day and probably call it for a live. If I do see something later, I'll post it in the commentary. But for now, I think we're good to go. All right, guys. I would say we're good for a live today. It was really quick, although we did stay on to 11. We finished the day before 9:46. So, thank you, of course. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off for the day, and I'll see you guys on. I don't know if I'm gonna go live tomorrow. I might. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling. All right, guys. But yeah, if anything, guys, I'll see you guys either tomorrow or Thursday. All right, guys. Peace out. Take it easy, and please be careful with this market. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys. Hopefully you guys made some good profits today in the market. Now, guys, by the way, Apex is ending the 80% off discount in a few hours. So if you guys have not taken advantage of it, guys, please do so. It is such a good discount. It is 80% off if you guys use code Blastoise. That's BLASTOISE. I think I read that right? It's called Blastoise, all right? It's on the screen. I'm sure you guys have been looking at it for the last hour or two. But guys, if you guys like the live trading and you guys don't want to delay and you guys want real-time alerts with real-time live trading, guys, click the first link in the description. Use code 50 for 50% off premium if you guys are interested in joining. And yeah, guys, if anything, I will see you guys in the premium if you guys want to join up. If not, I'll see you guys probably on Thursday. I don't know if I'm going to be going live tomorrow, but we'll see. All right, guys. But yeah, once again, guys, use code Blasters for 80% off any funded account on Apex, and use code 50 if you guys want to join the premium with the first link in the description, right? For 50% off. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get off for the day. I made about $470 on 10 accounts, so you guys could do the math there on how much I made on the day. We caught about 40 points on the trade, which is amazing. I'm really happy with today. So yeah, guys. All right. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. I'll see you guys on Thursday then. All right. Peace.